Cocktail mixing methods. There are several methods used to mix drinks, including stirring. This method is used to mix ingredients together without creating bubbles or diluting the drink. It is typically used for drinks that are served up without ice or on the rocks with ice. Shaking. This method is used to mix ingredients together quickly and effectively and create a frothy, aerated drink. It's typically used for drinks that contain juices, syrups, or dairy products and that are served up or on the rocks. Blending. This method is used to mix ingredients together in a blender to create a smooth and creamy drink. It's typically used for frozen drinks such as daiquiris, pina coladas, or smoothies. Muddling. This method is used to crush fruits, herbs, and other ingredients in the bottom of a glass to release their flavors. It's typically used for drinks such as mojitos, caipirinhas, and old-fashioned. Layering. This method is used to create a drink with multiple layers of different colored liquids. It's typically used for drinks such as Irish coffee. Flaming. This method is used to ignite a small amount of alcohol and pour it over a drink to create a flaming effect. It's typically used for drinks such as a flaming Lamborghini. Building. This method is used to add ingredients directly into a glass, typically used for drinks such as beer, wine or highball.